Creating a compelling trailer intro is all about building anticipation today. We're crafting a progressive intro that hooks your viewers instantly using pacing, sound design, and visual flair. Start with a blink and you'll miss flash something intriguing but incomplete. Think a single, impactful image or a soundbite that hints at the story without revealing too much. This is your initial whisper. Then, gradually increase the pace. Introduce slightly longer clips, still enigmatic, but now hinting at a developing theme or conflict. Let the visuals become a little clearer, but maintain that sense of mystery. Simultaneously, layer your sound design. Start with subtle atmospheric sounds, then introduce impactful musical stings that punctuate each visual beat. A sharp percussion hit or a dramatic synth swell can elevate the tension. Now, it's time for the crescendo. Introduce slightly longer, more narrative-driven shots. These should reveal a bit more about the world or the characters, but always leave them wanting more. Think character reactions, significant objects, or even a glimpse of the central conflict. Use visual effects to amplify the drama. Subtle motion graphics highlighting key elements, or dramatic light flares can add significant polish. Your final clips should be the most impactful, leading to a cliffhanger or a bold statement. And finally, cut to black, leaving your audience breathless and eager for the main event. Master these elements, and your trailer intros will be unforgettable.